Hello everybody, Facebook, Instagram, Tube of the U. Welcome everybody, thank you for joining. We is gonna jump straight into it. I can hear myself on my laptop. Have a great concert, make yourself comfortable, and yep, I'm just gonna play. I probably should have said if there's any problems with the sound, write a comment and Jorginho will do nothing and cry because of the state of the internet. Okay, here we go. This time for realsies. Georgoma va mortom gonma Ishen kugorlua puda skani chirima Georgoma va mortom goma Ishen kugorlua puda skani chirima Skani chirima Skane Sruli Jojo Heti Skani Chirima Skane Skani chirima Skane toma Vad marine ma Golva pido Maharia Skani chirima Skani chirima Vagyorkoma. Thank you, Wida. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. This is Georgian. As I told all of you last week, this is a special week in Cornwall. It's Speak Cornish Week, and that's why we started with one in Cornish. Just kidding. There was a little bit of a problem with the translations. So even though this week is Speak Cornish Week, next week is the week when we're going to do a load of things in Cornish. And we've already got some really nice translations, such as two of the most popular, well, the ones I'm just looking forward to. I should have had them loaded. Basically, we had two very cool translations by Sam Brown, who is a very good friend and Cornish speaker who also lives in the Clay Country. And he sent me these two. Hold on, I'm just looking for it quickly. Anyway, while I load this, the song I just did was Vagyorkoma, a lovely Georgian song from the Megruli region, from the western part of Georgia. And it's really just a haunting, nostalgic song about you don't love me. And it's just basically about how somebody's heart's broken. Anyway, two little snippets of the fun we are going to have next week. In all seriousness, it's going to be really great because we've got really good songs in Cornish. It's going to be fun. If I say that enough, people will believe it. Gazevos, Stefan with you, Galos, Gazevos, Bom Jesu darazo, and terminio Paris of Lemin, hatte weather thu, temikahana vunyender bras. Wrong key. Anyway, and of course, me and Jorginho will be singing. Yeah, Joao and Hida are also going to be singing Cornish as well, so you guys have to be there to see it. Aristocles and bledes and lurin nos, pogovin pragma min hwarth gans and gath. Awodhes kana kan gans levo an menithio. So we've got some really nice songs. They're not all Disney, I promise, but those are just like, you know, the nicest ones. 95% of them are going to be Disney. No, but so, for real, all of you go and tell everybody you know that there's going to be a Cornish thing next week, and let's enjoy it. Hi, Mum. Hi, Beth. Hi, Yotim. And hi, Lynn Goldsmith. Sorry you're late. Technical issues in Gorenhaven. Well, I wish I was in Gorenhaven, so that was a bit of a non sequitur, but, you know.
What's the Clay Country?
The Clay Country is the middle region of the middle region of Cornwall, where basically all of the mining happened. So that's that. We've got a brand new system. I'm going to go through this a few times this evening. You know what? I'm going to do one more song, and then I'm going to go through everything. Basically, like and subscribe, put comments on all my videos on YouTube, and that will just help me out a lot, please. Thank you very much. People watching on Instagram and Bookface, stop it. Go over to YouTube and enjoy our proper microphone setup and very good quality audio. Here is another Dutch song, which I did a few weeks ago, and I heard from a few people that they really liked it, and they couldn't believe that it was by the band it's by. I'm not going to say who it's by, because nobody will ever listen to it. So don't click away, and enjoy a lovely Dutch song, Laatste Dag, the last day. Die hoge muren om je heen, van angst en steen. Onbereikbaar voor het licht, voor het woord gezwicht. Die laatste dag, jouw laatste tranen, de laatste stralen van de zon. Toen de stilte zei, wat ik jou nooit zeggen eindeloze zoeken naar een opening. En alle troost en warmte die zomaar verloren ging. Die laatste dag, jouw laatste tranen, de laatste stralen van de zon, toen de stilte zei wat ik jou nooit zeggen kon. Over leven en zwijgen, over liefde en lijden, alles wat telde kwam nooit aan de schaamte voorbij. Neem je hoofd in mijn handen, leg je neer in de brandende spijt. Het is voorbij, van alles vrij. Die laatste dag, jouw laatste tranen, de laatste stralen van de zon. Toen de stilte zei wat ik jou nooit zeggen kon. Toen de stilte zei wat ik jou nooit zeggen kon. Laatste dag by the three A's. The three A's. Hi Sharon. Oh, lovely that you're there. Nice that you're watching. And Knut, probably, who I'm assuming is next to you. Hi Knut. Yeah, beautiful Dutch song, Laatste Dag, the last day, which gets more and more emotional every time I sing it. If you guys have any songs that you want to hear, any suggestions, let me know in the comments. I've got Wids and Joao reading as well behind the scenes. Remember to like and subscribe, and people on Facebook and Instagram, head over to YouTube to enjoy an even better sound. Otherwise, I will just keep going with shizzle that I've been doing. Donations, right. Whilst I have y'all here, we have a new donation system. Basically, it's a long story, but the donation links is underneath, and instead of donating like literally money, you guys can donate gift cards, Waardebonnen, which go directly to the equipment. And we have a goal of 1,500 euros, and we're hoping to reach that in a few months. So every little helps. Thank you in advance for anybody who donates. And yeah, it will be really great. You guys have homework, but we'll go over that in a minute. For now, I'm going to sing some nice songs, especially since Sharon's here and I remembered how much she loved it last time. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you where you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you where we're bound away across the wide Missouri. 7 long years since last I saw you. Where you rolling river? 'Tis 7 long years since last I saw you. Where we're bound away across the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Where you rolling river? Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, we're bound away across the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Oh, Shenandoah, 'tis 7 long years across the wide You'll remember me when the west wind moves among the fields of barley. You'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we walk in fields of gold. So he took his love for to gaze a while among the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as his hair came down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? We'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we lie in fields of gold. I never made promises lightly. There have been some that I've broken, but I swear in the days still left, we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk in fields of gold. and some that I've broken, but I swear in the days still left, we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk in fields of gold. Many years have passed since those summer days among the fields of barley. See the children run as the sun goes down, as you lie in fields of gold. You remember me when the west wind moves among the fields of barley. And you can tell the sun in his jealous sky that we walked in fields of gold, that we walked in fields of gold, that we walked in fields of gold. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing in the breeze. Take me home, country roads, to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue waters, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Take me home, country roads, to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, it calls me, the radio reminds me of my home far away, and driving down the road I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday, yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, country roads, to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, There we go. The first set of the evening. I hope you all enjoyed it. What did we do? I did. What was the first one I did? Shenandoah. Ha 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 ha. Oh, that's another one that all my friends are going to make memes about. Shenandoah, beautiful traditional American folk song. Then we went into Fields of Gold by Sting, or more famously known by Eva Cassidy. And then into Country Roads. So there we go, a nice little American set, impromptu American set. People watching on Facebook, Instagram, get your asses over onto, Instagram and Facebook onto YouTube, because the sound's way better. Guys, the donation link is underneath. We're doing donations. Again, anything that you guys can give is really, really gratefully received. And otherwise,
Can you explain how the donation?
can we explain how the donations work? Basically, instead of donating money, people can donate gift cards via Tomon, and that's the Schnibble, that's the shop we're using, the store we're using to buy all the equipment from. So, basically, I've written the steps out underneath. You just need to click on the link, click on donation link, and then follow on from then. And yeah, if you guys have any problems, let me know either on email, my email's down there, on YouTube. A lot of you guys have my number, Bookface, Instagram. Let me know and I can help you do it.
Challenge for this week.
What's the challenge for this week? Joao is saying there's a challenge for this week.
You have to go to Benjamin's page.
Oh, this is a good point. If you guys haven't done it already, go to my Facebook page, because we're starting to get that up and running as well. So go and like me on Facebook. And Joao is going to post it on the description as well. So the link for Facebook is also underneath. Thank you all very much. Remember to like and subscribe. Put a like next to all my videos on YouTube that you can. Put comments underneath everything. You guys don't realize how much that absolutely helps me. Even if it's just like, loved it, ! Like my mom always does because she's adorable and cute. Or, some people say like what their favorite song was, or just another subscription, another sugerentie. So guys, go for it. Go crazy on my YouTube channel and just get as much stuff on there for the algorithm. Thank you very much for listening. And now I'm going to get back to doing some music. It's a very special day today. So I'm going to ask the boys to join for Helene Bongenaar, who isn't watching because she's at the beach celebrating with friends, but she'll watch this again. So everyone can sing happy birthday to Helene. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Helene. Happy birthday to Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Do you want to sing it?
Well, no. Yes, but I'll sing it.
Okay. Hida's going to sing you the other Dutch ones
yes,
in her own things. My dad is compliment.
Or just compliment
my dad is complimenting y'all's haircuts.
Oh, that's nice.
And I know my sister's watching, so this is another one that we'll do when she's over here, and I'm gonna make her come on stage and share the stage with me here. Which is another thing, a little bit of an explanation about the equipment is the reason now we're specifically doing it is because I want to get a bigger setup so that we can invite guests to come and sit here and have a really nice, so it's not just always us three that you guys are listening to, and possibly in the long term to buy new instruments. I'm looking at buying a guitar, so there'll be some sort of, some sort of change, so it's not just always piano. And I forgot what key I did in this in. Yeah. Okay. So, Beth, I hope you're going to be singing along. And, well, everybody else can join in. I encourage all of you to sing it. Sharon, my love, you're very, very welcome. Here we are. This is It's All About You by McFly. It's all about you. It's all about you, baby. It's all about you. It's all about you. Yesterday you asked me something I thought you knew. So I told you with a smile, it's all about you. Then you whispered in my ear and you told me to. Said you make my life worthwhile, it's all about you. And I would answer all your wishes if you asked me to. But if you deny me one of your kisses, I don't know what I'd do. So hold me close and say 3 words like you used to do. Dancing on the kitchen tiles, it's all about you. Yeah. And I would answer all your wishes if you asked me to. But if you deny me one of your kisses, I don't know what I'd do. So hold me close and say 3 words like you used to do. Dancing on the kitchen tiles, yes, you make my life worthwhile. So I told you with a smile. It's all about you. It's all about you. Haha, that's very fun to sing.
McFly, that's so nice.
McFly, yeah.
We should do Stargirls sometimes.
Stargirls, God, I know some of the other ones. I never really liked that one. I just remember it being in E major. Yeah, that's an awesome one. McFly, I really liked Sorry It's Not Good Enough. I was listening while it came over because it came on after this one. Sorry's not good enough. Why are we breaking up? 'Cause I didn't treat you right, so please don't go changing. McFly did some awesome songs, so I'm gonna get some.
The beginning is very Queen-esque.
Yeah. No. Hidda, Yod says your hair looks really nice.
Oh, thank you, Yod.
Hidda, Yod says, Hidda says thank you, Yod. He's going to be angry that I said that. Oh.
Thank you, Yod. It's very kind. We should do year 3000 sometime as well.
Yes, we should. Oh, but while we have our most esteemed German watchers, we should do...
Hast du etwas Zeit für mich?
Atemlos durch die Nacht. That's like the gate. Well, I heard enough.
What do you think? Atemlos.
Yeah. Atemlos durch die Nacht. Na 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 na, ich bin gefreit. Oh, something like that. Anyway, boys, are we singing Widmunginho?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Ja, das singen wir. Wait, Hidda can speak German.
Theoretisch, konstantisch. Komponieren.
Oh, okay.
Eine
I see what you're doing
himmlische
there.
Sinfonie.
You joining us, Jorginho? Do you have the music with you, or do I need to send a PDF?
I
Ah,
have it somewhere.
okay. Joao has it on his laptop.
Just give me a second to.
I am very glad that y'all were both singing along. And Lynn, you sing out of tune, my love. It absolutely doesn't matter. It makes it better, even, you know.
Tonality is relative. I mean.
Tonality is relative, absolutely. It's, anyway.
Actually, could you send it to Wits and I would watch from his phone?
Oh, sure, yeah. So we're going to do a version of a German Lied by Schumann, Widmung, which translates to dedication. But of course, we need to do the. There we go. Anyway, this is a little arrangement that I did for the three of us. Beth likes your hair as well.
Thank you, Beth.
The validation we were needing.
Yeah.
She's a psychologist, so she's good at validation.
Yeah.
That's how it works, right? Are you close enough to the mic, Jorginho?
I think so.
Okay, good. Girl. Are you good to...
Ah, yeah.
I was listening from last week and it was better than I thought.
Oh, do you have... Joao, you have this one next to you as well, right? Should we go straight into it?
Well, why don't you tell something about the key that this is in?
A flat?
Yeah.
Okay, so
That's very.
It's in A flat.
Yeah.
it's an A flat. Okay.
It is an A flat. It's nice.
I'm not doubting that it's an A flat.
What did you say? It's a
It's a very spiritual. Key.
spiritual. Yeah. A very spiritual key.
Yod. Last two messages. Okay, so this is Widmung with Jorginho, Widzinho, and Benjiginho. In the right key. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Fahne, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, darein ich schwebe, o du mein Grab, in das hinab ich ewig meinem Kummer gab. Du bist die Ruhe, du bist der Frieden. Du bist vom Himmel niederschieden. Dass du mich liebst, macht mich mir wert. Dein Blick hat mich vor mir verklärt. Du hebst mich liebend über mich, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Fahne, oh, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, darein ich schwebe, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. God, I love that. That was so good. Thank you, guys. So I was joined by the wonderful Widzinho and Joaozinho, and that was beautiful singing. Oh, your mum liked it as well. Very cute. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Elma. Thank you all. Yeah, guys, anybody watching on Facebook or Instagram, head over to YouTube. There are donation links underneath for gift cards for us to buy nice new equipment. So please do not be frugal with your donations. We receive them gladly, as do many Christmas carolers. Thank you, Sarah. Lovely that you're there. What else did we have to do today? I mean, it's nearly 9 o'clock already. That went very quickly. So I'm going to do one of the longest sets I've ever done. I'm going to do 5 canciones achter elkaar. We're going to start with The Blower's Daughter by Damien Rice. I do this song very often in Portuguese, and so now I'm actually doing it in English for a start. Then I'm doing one of my own Georgian songs called Shweni Twa Lebi, which is called Your Eyes, and it's about all the pain in your eyes, and I can love you, and when you're ready, we can start healing together. Translated by the amazing Khatuna Shav Gulidze from the English text that I wrote. Then we're going straight to Woodstick. Tijdsmachine at Woodstick is like Babe and an amazing artist. You guys should all check him out. Then we're going to go into Fix You. Oh, wait, you know what? Yeah, we're going to do Fix You, and then we're going to go into Man in the Mirror. But before that, sorry, so this set is coming afterwards with, ik weet niet of jij True Colors wil zingen? Of niet?
Ja, oké.
Leuk. Meneer, Wids en ik gaan voor jullie zingen.
Maar misschien maak ik weer dezelfde vergissing als vorige keer.
Wat zei je?
Misschien maak ik weer dezelfde vergissing als vorige keer.
Oh, is goed hoor.
Sorry, niet vergissing.
Interpretatie.
Eigen draai.
Ja, inderdaad. Zo, meneer, deze is voor jou.
Hoe wil je het doen?
Jij eerst, hetzelfde als we vorige keer hebben gedaan. Dus jij eerste couplet en refrein, ik tweede couplet, tweede refrein, bridge, laatste refrein, samen. If this what makes you crazy when you've taken away. Dus
sorry,
jij
dus
zingt
ik kom bij het
eerst.
laatste refrein er weer.
Ja, inderdaad. En
Oké.
dat maak ik duidelijk voor jou.
Ja.
Tenminste, hoop ik.
Ja, nee, we gaan het meemaken.
Oh, meneer, zo lief, dank je.
Cute.
Oh, Beth, tell Clad start watching as well. Minor 7th. Oh yeah, okay, sorry, now I'm actually gonna start.
Even serieus.
Ja.
You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you can make you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow.
Show me your smile then, and don't be discouraged. saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you're taking all you can bear, just call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. If this world makes you crazy and you're taking all you can bear, call me up, and you know I'll be there to see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. That was so nice.
Hope you liked it.
Ja. Nou, sterkte met alles, meneer. Volgende week, komende week. En hopelijk zien we elkaar snel. Als er nog iets wat je samen wilt dingen, dan geef je het gewoon maar aan.
Ja.
Leuk. Jorginho, tudo bem? Com a meu telefoone.
Telephone.
Telefoon.
Yeah, it's chilling. No, it died. Oh, it's charging.
Ah, okay.
There might be something wrong.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so we're having some problems on Instagram. Hopefully people will find their way to here. So, guys, I have a call to action for all y'all who are watching. Invite at least one person you know, because now I'm going to play 5 songs without stopping, and let's try and see if we can get double the amount of people. YouTube is telling me there's 15 people watching now, so let's try and get that up to 30 people watching for the next 5 set of songs. I'll go through them quickly over. I've even put them in a special little document so I don't have to search for the lyrics in between. We're going to do The Blower's Daughter, Damien Rice. We're going to do my own Georgian song, Sheni Tailebi, translated by Khatuna Shav Gulidze. We're going to do Tijd Machine, Dutch song by Woodstick. We're going to do Fix You, Coldplay, British song. And we're going to do Man in the Mirror by, oh my lord, I forgot his name.
MJ.
Michael Jackson. Thank you, Wids.
Mary J.
Exactly.
I love you, Mary J.
So, guys, send this to at least one person and enjoy it. It's a bit of a... It's just... They're all gorgeous songs. So, sing along with me if you know them. Otherwise, just sit back, grab the tissues and the wine, and let's have a nice, fun, 20 minutes. Absolutely. And so it is, just like you said it would be. Life goes easy on me most of the time. And so it is, shortest story. No love, no glory. No hero in his sky. I can't take my eyes off of you. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes. So it is, just like you said it would be. We'll both forget the breeze most of the time. And so it is. The colder water, the blower's daughter, the pupil ending eye. I can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes off of you. Ooh, did I say that I loved you? Did I say that I want to leave it all behind? I can't take my mind off of you. 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 Scenit alevim curnal staețeps, scensul și seutas quiliertvis, o scen hirzichar, scenim zachore, bevrad metsulidre, שמית לי אמרת קאי כיצד דאבי ראשני דרטיזם קורנלי סנה מיצאולי Rogor momento Rogor qui guarde Sana mi שמית לי אמרת כיצדו דאבי ראשני דרטיס קורנלי סנה מיצאולי Rogor momento Rogor qui guarde Sana mitzali Kwart ik een tijdmachine had dat ik terug kan in de tijd, zodat ik weer bij jou kan zijn. Ik heb geen twijfels of geen spijt, maar ik heb nog vragen op mijn huid. En alleen bij jou kan ik ze kwijt. Ik timmer en ik timmer elke dag. Het is nog lang niet klaar, maar als mijn tijdmachine af is, dan zien wij elkaar. Ik wil nog zoveel met je doen, nog zoveel met je lachen en over doen. We veranderen de toekomst tegelijk. Geven niet meer toe. Vanaf nu komt alles goed. Dit keer winnen we de strijd. Ik timmer en ik timmer elke dag. Het is nog lang niet klaar, maar als mijn tijdmachine af is, dan zien wij elkaar. Tijdmachine af is, dan zien wij elkaar. Ik timmer elke dag. Ik ben nog lang niet klaar, maar als mijn tijdmachine af is. get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in rivers, and the tears come streaming down your face when you lose someone you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste. What could be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. And high up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go. But if you never try, you'll never know just what you're. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace, and tears stream down your face, and tears stream down your face. I promise you I will learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face, and lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Gonna make a change. change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good, gonna make a difference, gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. See the kids in the street, not enough to eat. Who am I to be blamed and pretending not to see their needs? A summer disregard, a broken bottle top, and a one-man show. They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. I thought it was in B flat, but it's not in B flat, so apologies, crude key change. I've been a victim of a selfish kind of love. It's time that I realize that there are some with no home, not a lick to loan. Could it be really me pretending that they're not alone? That willow deeply scarred somebody's broken heart and a washed out dream. They follow the pattern of the wind, Jesse, 'cause they got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. That's still too high. Oh man, I don't know what key this is supposed to be. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, just take a look at yourself and make a change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make a change, take a look at yourself and make a change. Well, 4 out of 5 isn't bad. Ah. Whew.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh. Okay, guys, there are 13 people watching, not 30. So you all should do a better job next time at calling people to watch. So, people watching on only Facebook, head over to Instagram. Oh, Lord. People watching on Facebook, head over to YouTube. We're starting. We've got way better equipment on YouTube. And thank you very much, everybody, for watching. We really appreciate it. We're not at the end yet, don't worry. I just wanted to express my gratitude to y'all. Let me know if you have any suggestions or anything in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep doing random shizzle that I enjoy. We've got a new donation system, so down underneath you can buy us gift cards from Tomon, which is a band I'm getting a bit tired already. We don't have enough wine this evening. The store that we're using to buy all the equipment. So if any of you have any free change, then we would really appreciate having some extra gift cards to buy the equipment that we need to carry on doing this.
also we're not completely sure whether it works. So if some of you could just try it out and send some money, that'd be great. Then we know for sure that it works.
A good amount to start with is like 500 euros.
Yeah, I'm told it doesn't work below 500 euros.
Yeah. That's inside sources.
I'm not sure if this will work the right way.
Yeah.
Maybe you're just scaring people.
No, but honestly, guys, even if you just give 1 or 2 euros, like every little helps. So everything is really appreciated. Yeah, if anybody has any suggestions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep on doing...
You're singing my song?
What was your song? Oh, yeah.
I always ask the same thing, but
It's true. It's cute.
at least I know you know that. I know you play it well enough.
Yeah, right. Damn. Take it easy, Joao.
I know you know that one.
Like, you don't know any other songs, but... Do any of you know a fun joke that's PG?
You know Other Side by Red Hot Chili Peppers?
Oh,
Like Californication, maybe?
Not well enough to play.
Something like that.
Not well enough to play.
Or, well, Muse, but that's
Oh, yeah.
crazy.
Wait, didn't...
6 octaves. Yeah.
Who did
I did Nights of Sidonia with the rock.
I know a Metallica song.
Oh, yeah.
Trumpet.
I know a Metallica song because Shakira did a cover of it.
Enter Sandman.
No, Nothing Else Matters. So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Sure. Blackbird?
For 2 weeks. No,
Yeah, go on.
this one. But you have to write it for the 3 of us.
Oh, awesome. Yep, I will do.
But you say with you have to. Which one? Nothing else matters.
Yeah, sure. But then with Shakira,
Petrus.
Shakira diminutions.
So close, no matter how far. Little, couldn't be much more from the heart. Anyway,
Shakira treaties
Anyway.
of,
from the Shakira treaties.
of
Music
09.
treaties.
Yeah.
So here we are. We have a medley of Blackbird.
Should it? Because is YouTube censoring this? Because you said black. Not going into political issues, right?
Blackbird singing the blues all day, right outside of my door. Blackbird, who do you sit and say there's no sunshine in store? Oh, through the winter you hung around. Now I begin to feel homeward bound. Blackbird, gotta be on my way where the sunshine glows. Pack up all my care and woe, here I go singing low. Bye bye, Blackbird, where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is he. Bye bye, Blackbird, no one there could love or understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all hand me. Make my bed and light the light, I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird, bye-bye. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly. Blackbird fly into the dark of a black, black night. Bluebird calling me far away, I've been longing for you. Blackbird, what do I hear you say? Skies are turning to blue. I'm like a flower that's fading here, where every hour is one long tear. Bluebird, this is my lucky day. Now my dreams will come true. Pack up all my care and woe, here I go singing low. Bye bye, blackbird, where somebody waits for me. Sugar sweet, so is he. Bye bye, blackbird. No one there could love or understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all hand me. Make my bed and light the light, I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you're only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. black night. You are only waiting for this moment to rise. You're welcome. That was Bye Bye Blackbird from, I know it from the History Boys, and Blackbird by the Beatles. So a little Blackbird melody for y'all there. I just saw your messages. Going from sad song to sad song, we will do one for Sarah. You are always on my mind. This is fun. I always like to do a little. I like doing high, sad stuff in my falsetto in this one. So thank you for giving. There is an absolutely beautiful version of this, and I forgot what.
We're going to make it now.
Yeah, and I'm going to make it now. There is an absolutely stunning music video by the Irrepressibles, Always on My Mind, and it is such a beautiful version of the song that y'all should go and check it out. I'm going to send the link to Jorginho, which I can't do because my WhatsApp's not working because my phone died, but he can put the link underneath as well, so you guys have even more homework. No, in all seriousness, this is really, really, really beautiful. I can't send it on WhatsApp. Joao, I'll Facebook at you. Oh, I need to Facebook at Hida, right? Or you? Or how do we do this?
Wait, you can. It should be on it, no? Your WhatsApp, no? Yeah?
Just checking WhatsApp. Busy with verbinding. Yep. So underneath, or just in the chat maybe. No, underneath is nice. There's a link to the Irrepressibles, Always on My Mind, and it is just my favorite version of it. So give that a listen if you want to watch a beautiful video and hear a beautiful version of it. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. And maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, boy, I'm sorry I was blind, but you were always on my Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, boy, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Tell me you'll give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Boy, I'll keep you satisfied. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, then I'm sorry I was blind. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always, always on my Okay, I'm very pleased with that one. Awesome. Thank you, Sarah, for posting it. That's very sweet of you. Okay, I thought I was getting a request from Yod, but I'm just getting how to make a glazed tofu steamed bun with pickled vegetables recipe, #tasty. So I will not be watching that now, I'll watch that after. Sarah, thank you for the request. That was really lovely to be able to sing that one again. That's one of my favorite ones, and I love being able to mess around in my falsetto and doubling with the piano. I think that's one of my favorite instrumentations, is like having just simple chords which keep changing, and then that's for next week.
What key was that?
That was G major.
Are you sure? That's a shame.
Lowered A flat.
Yeah, A flat and 415.
Hey, flat and 415, right. We have
There are some really old jokes, you know.
We have 20 minutes left. Thank you, everybody watching on Facebook, but stop it, head over to YouTube. Thank you, everybody watching on YouTube. We've got 20 minutes left. If you have any other requests, let me know. I don't know that one off by heart.
Slow by Kylie Minogue.
Like a virgin.
I
Like a virgin. That's
I don't know them well enough.
ABBA, do you know anything by ABBA?
Yeah,
SOS?
SOSK.
SOS.
Is that one?
Do you want to sing it?
Oh, I was thinking about the one by YouTube. Messaging about. No, is it YouTube? Yeah. No, police. The police. What a mess.
Sunday Bloody Sunday, that would be good sometime as well.
I have thought of an idea. I will do.
I like that one. It's a very good one.
You guys will all know this one at home, and this one is an A flat major.
Yahoo!
So it's not one of the ones you just asked for, but it is sort of.
That's what it's all about.
It's very nice. This is Somewhere Only We Know by Keane.
Oh, that's nice.
I didn't hear that name for a long time.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the rhythm I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? Falsetto. This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go? So why don't we go? If you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Ah, there we go. Somewhere Only We Know by Keen. Another really beautiful video. There's a video of, what's the really famous brand? There's a brand, hold on. Well, okay, there's a really beautiful advert in the UK with a polar bear, or no, a brown bear, and that song, and it's just really, really cute. So if you guys want to, huh? No, it's it's sort of like Harrods, but not Harrods. John Lewis, that's it. John Lewis's Christmas advert from like 7 years ago, 8 years ago, used that song, and it's absolutely beautiful, so you guys should watch that up as well. And, of course, a very lovely welcome and hello to Will, Seth, and Alyssa, who are watching from the garage of North Hill. So, hey Will, hey Alyssa, hey Seth. If you guys have any songs you want me to sing that you know, then go and tell Poi. Oh, they're my, yeah, sorry, for everybody else who's watching, they're my nieces and my niece and nephews.
Oh, Lisa.
Yeah, we've already had a few people donate, so that's really lovely. Thank you everybody who's donated so far. There's a fly in here. The donation link is underneath. We're trying a new system now. We're instead of people just doing Tikis and PayPal, we're using Tolmon and their gift card service so that we can actually directly buy the equipment with the money that you guys donate, which is going to work a lot better for us and for you guys in the long run, because it means we're going to be able to buy a nice, lovely microphone, and I can invite guests to like legit sing instead of the three of us crouched around three microphones. You know, we're going to be able to put somebody there, and put somebody there, and wrong accent. Suddenly New Zealand. That's and so if you guys can, make sure y'all donate underneath. If you guys want to sponsor any of the equipment, there's the wish list there as well. So if you guys are feeling incredibly generous, then have a look at the equipment there and get in touch if you want to buy any of it. And for any of you who are curious, you can go and look at the equipment that we're aiming for. Anyway, so we've still got some time. If any of you have any requests, I'm just looking at stuff that I had thought about. I haven't done much Spanish today. I'm feeling a little bit relaxed, so we're going to do this lovely song.
We didn't do any Shakira today.
No, we didn't. We'll do some Shakira next week in Cornish. Anyway, this is No hay nadie más by Sebastián Yatra, and is an awesome Colombian singer, and this is There Is Nobody Else. Hey, this is also an A flat.
Yeah, I knew it.
Oh no, but it should be an A, sorry.
That's fine.
So smooth, eh? Oh my lord, Hitler, that was a bad joke. Recuerdo aquel día como si fuera hoy. No hay nadie como él, ni siquiera me encontró. Recuerdo todavía la vez que le besé. Fue mi primer amor y ahora escribo su canción. Hay algo más inexplicable como su mirada, inigualable como la manera en que me cela y trata de disimular que no está mal. Voy a cuidarte por las noches, voy a amarte sin reproche, te voy a extrañar en la tempestad, y aunque existan mil razones para renunciar, no hay nadie más. No hay nadie más. Se llevó todo, se llevó tristeza, ya no existe espacio en la melancolía, porque a su lado todo tiene más razón. Me llevé sus lágrimas, llegaron risas, cuando estamos juntos la tierra se paraliza, se paraliza. Y hay algo más inexplicable como su mirada, inigualable como la manera en que me cela y trata de disimular que no está mal. Voy a cuidarte por las noches, voy a amarte sin reproche, te voy a extrañar en la soledad, y aunque existan mil razones para renunciar, voy a cuidarte por por las noches voy a amarte sin reproche, te voy a extrañar en la soledad. Y aunque existan mil razones para terminar, no hay nadie más. No hay nadie más. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is hard. Oh, your daddy's rich and your Mary's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings you're gonna rise up singing. Then you'll touch the sky and you'll touch the sky. But till that morning, there's nothing can harm you. With mommy and daddy standing by. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Oh, oh, your dad is rich and your ma is good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. Beep, 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 beep. And you'll spread your wings and you'll take to the sky. But till that morning, there's nothing can harm you. With mommy and daddy standing. Ooh. sad today or happy? Lucky you were born that far away so that we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love her for and I'm for the lucky fact of your existence. Baby, I will climb the Andes slowly to count the freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only 10 million ways to love somebody. Can't you see? I'm at your feet whenever, wherever we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's certain, my dear. They're over here under, you'll never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's certain, my dear. Lucky them lips not only mumble, this will kiss is like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with mountains. Lucky I run legs like my mother to run for cover when I need it. And these two eyes are fun no other. The day you leave the crying river, can't you see? I am at your feet whenever, wherever we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's certain, my dear. They're over here under, you'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's certain, my dear. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. La felicidad tiene tu nombre, tu piel. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's it, my dear. They're over here under, you'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's it, my dear. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's it, my dear. They're over here under, you got me head over heels. There's nothing left to feel if you really feel the way I feel. We're coming up to the last two songs. We're coming up to the last two songs. Thank you everybody for watching. I've loved having you here today. I've loved being able to sing for you all. Remember the donation links down below. Remember to go and like me on Facebook. Check out maybe the link that I put of the Always on My Mind video. It's absolutely exquisite. And otherwise, get ready for next week of a concert entirely in Cornish, probably with some English songs, but I will also be speaking Cornish. So if next week you want to tune in and hear me speak and sing in Cornish, then go ahead and do that. See you there. Let everybody know that next week is a Cornish thing, so anybody that you know who has any interest in languages or is a polyglot or interested in Celtic culture, then let them know. It's going to be beautiful songs with some fun songs, with some really beautiful traditional Cornish songs. And that is it. I think that's everything I've needed to cover. Thank you, the Muziekkamer, that we were allowed to play here again. It's an amazing space to be able to play in. We are really thankful for that. Thank you, Andre, for the use of some of the mics, for the equipment. And that was everything. Stay tuned in the Facebook page because we'll have news. Thanks, Joao. Yeah, okay, thank you. So, yeah, Joao has taken over a lot of the social media stuff, so Joao has some surprises planned. Thanks, Joao, for being an amazing technician. Thank you, Widder, for joining me and singing on some of the songs, and Joao for singing as well. Here are the last two songs we have. You'll find out. Anyway, where did we end? B flat major. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. And when it gets hard, you know it can be hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We keep these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever standing still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. It's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We keep these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. So you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever be hours back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone, and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you must go, and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, oh, when the valley's hushed and white with snow. It's I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, oh, Danny boy, I love you so. But when you come and all the flowers are dying, if I am dead as I may well be, you come and find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear those soft you tread above me, and oh, my grave shall almost return be, for you shall bend and tell me that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me. The stars lean down to kiss you, and I lie awake and miss you. Pour me a heavy dose of atmosphere, 'cause I'll fall asleep so soundly, but I'll miss your arms around me. I'll send a postcard to you, dear, 'cause I wish you were here. Watch the night turn light blue, but it's not the same without you. 'Cause it takes two to whisper quietly. The silence isn't so bad till I look at my hands and feel sad, and the spaces between my fingers are right where yours fits perfectly. I'll find repose in new ways. Oh, I haven't slept in 2 days. This cold nostalgia chills me to the bone. But drenched in vanilla twilight, I'll sit on the front porch all night, waist deep in thought, because when I think of you, I don't feel so alone. I don't feel so alone. I don't feel so alone. As many times as I'll blink, I'll think of you tonight. I'll think of you tonight. When violet eyes grow lighter and heavy wings grow lighter, I'll taste the sky and feel alive again. And I'll forget the world that I knew, but I swear I won't forget you. Oh, if my voice could whisper through the past, I'd whisper in your ear. Oh, darling, I wish you were here. Oh, Thank you everybody for watching. Remember, donations are below. We absolutely are grateful if any of you can spare any money to keep us giving you these concerts and to be able to share this music with you. Thank you all for being here this evening. Thank you all for watching. Thank you in advance for telling everybody about next week's special Cornish concert. And have a lovely week. Have a safe weekend. Stay safe in Corona times. And yeah, that's it. Love life. Listen back to this. Send it and send your favorite song. The set list will be up tomorrow. So let's get this music spread out. Thank you very much for everybody for joining. Ciao.